This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shirley Welch. Dommerich Estates home with an open and spacious floor plan including 4 large picture windows in the living areas bringing in plenty of natural light. Just under 2,000 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is warm, welcoming, and full of personality. Spacious screened patio extends your living space and where you will spend most of your time enjoying the garden, flowers, and butterflies with still room for play and gatherings. Charming eat-in kitchen has a closet pantry to please the chef and inside laundry room with additional storage. Current owners have lovingly cared for this home and updated over the years to include air conditioner, 2012, updated electric panel and meter, 2012, roof, 2012, windows, 2013, gutters, 2014, concrete patio and screened porch, 2014-2015, fence, 2015, front porch and driveway, 2017. But the best of the best is the neighborhood. A community built around A-rated schools so walking or biking to school is safe and easy. Less than 1 block away is the neighborhood lake lot for members to enjoy fishing off the dock, your favorite beverage, watching a sunset, or launch your watercraft and enjoy a day on the lake. City parks nearby, one with boardwalk access within the neighborhood. The City of Maitland continues to improve and grow to include more downtown restaurants with indoor/outdoor dining, entertainment, a new park, Sunday morning farmers market, art festivals, and events around Lake Lily. Don't pass on this home, you won't be disappointed. For more information, review the details below.